Welcome back, frame savers. This is the No Rules Portfolio Update, and there has been some changes, and there's going to be one more. So, I finally sold PG&E. I sold PG&E. I was going to keep it for 7 to 10 years. I had planned on keeping that position, and I kept it for 1 month. So you just never know what's going to happen in the stock market, and things happen that made me decide to just take the profit. Anyways, let's take a look at the portfolio. The current value is $722.26, and we have $3.15 sitting in cash. We've only deposited $500 in this portfolio, which means we're up $222.26 in just over a month, giving us a 44.45% gain on this portfolio, which is amazing. Dividends, we've earned none and we've been paid none, so we don't care about dividend changes because there has been none. And yearly, there has been changes because of the PG&E sale. So I sold PG&E. I purchased my stocks. If you add how much I spent up in purchasing, it was $91.93. I cashed out and sold it at $18.94 per share, I believe it was. So I got $168.73 in profit, plus my $91.93 back. So that gives me and actually it was not 183, it was 184.5% gain on that position, on that trade. So I guess a swing trade I did with PG&E from January to February, and I made 184.5% profit. Not too bad for 1 month. That money got automatically reinvested back into SOI and GE, 50 and 50. So we actually own over 30 shares of GE now and over 18.5 of SOI. Let's get into this part here. So there's one investing day because that money got reinvested. I have not deposited anything into this. But the money that I sold PG&E for got reinvested. So we reinvested $257.49, which increased our yearly income by $3.50, and gave us a yield on cost of 1.36%. Not real good. But overall, the portfolio is giving us $10.89 a year, or 91 cents a month, and dividend yield overall in this portfolio is 2.18%, and that is mostly from General Electric. No, it's mostly from SOI. My bad. General Electric's dividend is only 1 penny a quarter, so yeah. Their overall yield is 0.39%. If SOI continues to pay dividends, theirs is at 2.49%. And the reason I say if is because they've only paid 1 dividend in all of their history. So yeah, there's that. Now, the other thing I am doing on Monday is I am selling the ETF in here, which is VOO. I am up quite a bit on this position, and I might as well get rid of it and out of this no rules portfolio because I have VOO, and I'm going to be continually investing in VOO in the best beginner portfolio. So I don't see a reason to keep it in multiple portfolios. So I am selling that for a profit. If we come over to here, I am currently up 11.33% on that. So I'm going to sell that for a profit on Monday and have that money just reinvested in General Electric and SOI. And we'll get it out of the no rules portfolio. And then no rules portfolio will be down to only the 2 holdings for now. And yeah, that's what my plan is. That is the no rules portfolio, guys. I will see you in the next update. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.